Finally, creating a complete movie trailer and music video from a single prompt has become easy now. This is something very unique and new in the field of AI video generation. And by the way, this is the first AI tool available with this technology. By using this tool, we can create fun and educational content for children, making content for kids become even easier. With this technology, we can create creative stories, animated videos, and interactive learning experiences that are helpful for their development and entertainment. Well, I'm talking about noisy AI here. Convert your favorite melodies into any music video. Just click on Try Noise, and you'll be redirected to their Discord server. Right now, this feature is only available in Discord. So once you're in Discord, you'll see two options on the left side: Generate Music Video and Generate Clips. Essentially, this tool works similar to a regular text video generator. So click on Generate Music Video here, and you can see how people are generating their videos and get ideas from them. So to generate a video, you will first need a music URL. You can get this URL from YouTube, SoundCloud, or Suno AI. But today, I'll use a new AI song generator called Udio.io. It was recently launched and has become very popular. After signing in here, using it's very simple. You just need to enter your prompt here. Below that, we are given suggested tags, and here we can also generate our own lyrics. So I'll simply add my song's lyrics here and mention the type of song it is. And after that, I'll click on Generate. So both my songs have been generated. So let's listen to them. So if you don't like the generated poems or songs, you can regenerate them by changing the tags here. So once your song is ready, we'll simply copy the link from here and type /imagine URL in Discord and paste our URL. After which you'll get some form like this. In the first option, you have to put your prompt here related to your song. It's better that you describe those things which can be related to your music. And in the second option, we can add image for reference, and we can change the aspect ratio from here. So I've entered my prompt, and after that, here come a very important command. If the length of your song is more than 30 seconds, then you must add this command. Otherwise, it normally generates a song of 30 seconds only. So my song was 33 to 35 seconds. That's why I gave it this command. Remember, there should not be any space in this command, and apart from this, I'm not giving any image for reference right now, and I'm leaving the aspect ratio as default, and then click on Submit. So my song is being generated. Let's see. You'll notice that the song has been prepared very well. It has great camera movement edited. However, there are quite a few clips in it that are messy and don't look good. But don't worry at all, because Noisy has added a fantastic editing feature. That means now you don't need to go anywhere else for editing. You can edit scenes of your video individually. Simply click on the edit button given below your video and it will redirect you to this page. So now here you can see that on the left side each scene is shown individually, and on the right side the prompt of the same scene is shown. And below the prompt, we also get a regenerate button. For the scenes we don't like, we'll change the prompt or we'll regenerate that prompt. For example, I don't like this particular scene, so I'll regenerate it as it is without editing the prompt at all. And here you can see its result now. And now I'll enhance the prompt a bit and check what results come up. You can see that I've made some changes here, replacing the monkey with a bear. This way, you can easily customize the prompt according to your preference and regenerate it as many times as you want. There's no limit to this. It's a completely free tool, so you can generate as many times as you like and create scenes of your choice. So in my opinion, this song has become quite amazing just by editing 2 scenes. So once you're satisfied with your video, you can download your video from here. So let's check the final result now.
the jungle, tall and wide, animals roam side by side. Lions roar, monkeys swing, nature's choir a joyful ring. Elephants trumpet, birds sing, giraffes stand tall in a king-size ring. From the smallest ant to the mighty bear, animals in harmony everywhere.
You can see how fantastic a poem has turned out. So now let's try creating a lullaby. So on UDIO, I'll add my own lyrics and tags like children, kid music, actress to get a girl's voice for the lullaby and submit. From here, we can remix and extend the poem as well. So I'll copy the URL of this poem, and after going to Discord, I'll give the same command /URL as before and enter it. And after that, I'll write my prompt here, and this time I'll keep its aspect ratio 9:16 and submit. So my video is ready, so let's go and watch it.
Close your eyes, my precious child. Dreams of wonder, gentle and mild. In the night the stars will sing, whispering secrets they'll bring. Hush-a-bye in Daddy's arms, safe and warm, away from harms. Moon's soft glow, a soothing beam, guiding you through dreamland stream. Fashion.
You can see that it generates such an amazing video that I don't feel the need to edit any scene in it. So I generated some more videos. Let's check them out too, from which you can get more idea.
In a castle, dreams take flight. Cinderella's heart shining bright. Glass slipper, magic in her hand. Love's enchantment across the land. Cinderella's grace in every dance. Fairy godmother's magical chants. With mice as friends and love's sweet dare. Cinderella's tale beyond compare.
So right now this tool is completely free to use. I don't know how long it will remain free. So check the link in the description to use the tool. That's all for today's videos. In the coming days, you'll get to explore even more new and interesting ideas for creating content for children. So stay tuned for future updates and even more amazing features as we continue to explore.